happening? I'm always glad to see you here, and if this is the first time we're meeting, my name is Anna. Welcome to the channel. It's called Speak Easy, and this is a midweek shorty. I'm going to talk about some accessories for my iPad mini 4 that I got online, and I will show you if it will actually work, because some of the things that are being offered right now for iPad in general do not work for my old iPad mini 4 anymore. So my quest, or my challenge, was to find a pen that will work on my iPad, and also I got a new screen protector that supposedly will feel like you're writing on paper. And if you want to know, and if you're curious if these accessories will work on our old iPads, well then, keep on watching. Hi everyone, how are you doing? I just finished recording some side hustles. That's why my room is such a mess. Can you see? I had to move my bed, and my lights are all set up, including my ring lights, and all my stuff are like scattered all over the room. Anyway, this is a very casual video, a vlogging style, if you will, because a package came from me today. Woohoo! And these are accessories for my very old iPad mini 4, and I will tell you now why I got it, but let me just flip over this camera. Hey, there you go. Okay, so now you can see me, and as you can see, I'm all made up. Because I just finished working on my side hustles, but I really am so excited to share something with you, and this is an unboxing. Now let me just tell you the story of why I got these accessories for my iPad mini 4. It's because I was going through a lot of journal apps because I had wanted to journal when the year started, 2021, and so I was going through some apps that I could download so that I can have it online as opposed to having a lot of notebooks, although I really like writing on actual notebooks. But anyway, I had wanted to bring this with me. I had wanted all my thoughts in there as well as my schedule, so I thought I wanted to get a journal that is online. So I was thinking I would do it on Zinnia, but then, you know, my iPad mini is so old, and I had wanted to use those pen, the Apple pen, and I know for a fact that that will not work on my iPad mini because it's just not compatible anymore. So my quest was to go online and actually find one that will work. And what do you know? I found one! Well, we'll see if it actually works. So let's get this. And of course, just when I said let's get this unboxing started, the camera died on me. Anyway, it's all now juiced up, and I've set you up on the tripod right there so I can have both of my hands and unbox this package right here. Okay, so again, the reason why I bought these two things for my iPad mini 4 is because my iPad is so old that none of the current accessories work, and I want to write on my digital journal and also draw on it, and I wanted to use a pen. Why not, right? I have a right to use a pen for my iPad mini 4 even though it's super old, so that's why. So I don't remember whether I got this from Shoppee or Lazada, but I will link it here and I'll let you know how much it cost. On the package, it doesn't say anything, but this came from China. That's not a surprise, right? Okay, so I have disinfected this already. I think this is for free. And this is the pen. This is the stylus pen. Can you see? Whoop, whoop, whoop. I hope you can see it. Okay, let me just get this out first. And this one, oh wow, this has no use, and that is bad for the environment. And I got this one. So this is actually a screen protector that feels like actual paper when you write on it with a stylus. So it mimics paper because, you know, as I said, I really actually like writing on actual notebook. So this will help. I really can't remember how much it costs, so I'm going to have to link it here. So I know this is an imitation of, I forget the brand of where I actually got the idea from, but if you want the real one, I'll also try to link it up here. Okay, so what's in here? So first off is the film. So that is the film that goes with it, and of course the cleaning wipes and the guide stickers, and also some cleaning cloth that goes with it. This is the instruction on how to do it, so hopefully I can show you how to do it. Okay, and then here is the imitation, the dupe to Apple Pen, the Apple Pen. And of course, every time I buy online, I always read the reviews, and that's why I also leave reviews for the next customer who might be thinking about getting the same product that I got. So maybe that will help speed up the decision making right there. I will open it. I will show you what's inside. So let's open that. Okay, here it is. So here's, ooh, I like the touch of the pen. It's not flimsy, it's weighty. So that's good. Oh, okay, so this one comes off really easily, and it's magnetic. See that? It's magnetic. So there you go. So hopefully you won't lose it. So let me just show you. Okay, you see it? So this is the tip of the pen. Okay, right here. There you go. Okay, so that's the tip of the pen that's supposed to glide onto it, onto your iPad. Come on. Oh, there you go. Okay, and this is the cap that goes in. There you go. Okay, so I'm not sure what that is, but maybe there is no need to charge this pen. Maybe it just works right away. It has an extra tip. Let me just put this aside, and I will get cracking on installing the new protector film on my iPad Mini 4. This is, of course, the one that feels like paper when you write on it, and I'll let you know if it does work actually. And I'll also show you if the pen will actually work on my old iPad Mini 4, okay? Okay, so I have my iPad Mini 4 here, and I took it out of the case. It's now super duper clean. Okay, I need my cloth. It actually came with all of the things that you would need. So let's do this. So this is, you know what, I hate doing this actually, and I wish that I could have this installed for me, but since I cannot do that, okay, so that's the back and this is the front. Okay, no bubbles please, no bubbles. Okay, so then let us try it. Okay, I'm supposed to take this out. Okay, that is out, but I really do need to get the bubbles out. Whew. That was really difficult, but I think I got it. So it's not so bad, but I do have a couple of bubbles in there that I'm still trying to get rid of. That's a bubble right there. That's a bubble. Those are tiny bubbles. But I must say, guys, it really feels different. It feels a little bit rougher. You can feel the texture of paper on it. So the texture in itself is also pretty different. So now let us try this pen. So now I have the pen here and we are going to try it. So let's just get the tip off. I don't think you need to charge this or anything, so we are just going to go ahead and try it. This is Xenia. This is the online journal that I was talking about that I had wanted to test out this pen with. So it has all of those things. Well, we are about to find out if this thing would actually work, so hang on. Okay, let us try this one. Let us try the marker. Let's try. And now, it does work! You have to excuse my really funky handwriting, but hey, it works. Okay, let's try another one. Let's try this one, pencil. Check. That looks like a pencil, right? Isn't that amazing? Okay, I think I'm ready to pay for this one now. And let us try it with this, I suppose. And let's try a different color. Speak easy. Hey, there's a little bit of a delay. Yeah, there's a little bit of a delay, but that's fine. At least it's working. And you know, this didn't cost me a lot. I think this was less than 500 pesos, so you might want to check it out. So let's try something else. Maybe let's try the blue one. Schedule is, well, let's just say meals, burger. There you go. Hey, it's working. I love it. Yay. And so there you go, it works. The two things that I got for my old iPad mini 4 actually worked and I love it. I'm going to now subscribe to Xenia so that I can actually use all of its features and everything. So this little guy works and it does not feel cheap at all. It has a weight to it and I love it. You don't have to charge it. There's no battery in it, so you can just use it on the go and on the fly. And also that screen protector that feels like paper when you're writing on it, it actually works. I love it! And don't worry, I'll make sure to link it down at the description box down below so that you can also check it out if you want to get it for yourself. Don't worry if you have an old iPad, an old iPad mini 4, this works perfectly with it. You don't have to get that super expensive Apple Pen. And besides, if you're about to upgrade anyway, why do you have to spend so much on an accessory for an old iPad? So, hey, please don't forget to subscribe. Hit that subscribe button down below. And if you like this video, also give me a thumbs up. Please do tap that notification bell just so you know if I have anything new out. And if you have any questions for me at all, please let me know down at the comment section down below. And so until the next video, I'll wish you all a fantastic day and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye. Cheers.